Hello, it's Dima from Integrator channel, and today we will proceed with structural design patterns, and the next one in the series will be the composite. So in this video we will check the component interface, then we will create like an individual or leaf class, we will create a composite class, and we will see the usage of it. So few words from our friend Gemini. The benefits of the composite pattern: so it's uniformity, operations can be applied to the entire structure or individual components consistently. Flexibility, you can dynamically add or remove components from the hierarchy at a runtime. And reduced complexity, the pattern simplifies code by handling both leaves and composites uniformly, eliminating the need for conditional checks based on the object types. And when you can use composite, when you need to represent a hierarchy, some structure like in an object, and for example it can be folders in your system, or it can be, let's say, components, trees, and so on. When you want to treat both individual objects and groups of objects uniformly, and when you need to perform operation recursively across the hierarchy. So let's go and create. So this example is in Typescript, but in JS it will look very similar. So let's create a leaf or individual classes. For example, based on our previous video, let's use the same circle class, and it will have a draw. So this interface just tells what should be the structure. So, and here we create a class that implements the structure, implements shape, and like draw will console log circle created. So something like this. The next one will be similar, but it will be square, and let's do square created. And now composite, so class composite shape also implements the same interface shape, and we will have constructor. The constructor will store the initial value for the list of the or child items. So this list, let's say, will be initial value like array. We can set like something like private list array. So we specify the type, array of shapes we want it to be. So we should create methods like add, and we can add remove, but yeah, I will keep it remove, keep it empty, so you can just implement it yourself. So here this, and we will get the shape of type shape. This list will create the existing list plus the new element. And we should, as we implemented the shape interface, we should also have this draw method. It will be like a mutual method for all the elements that we have added. So, and in this case, this list, we will iterate our items for each, and the function that will take shape and go and execute the draw method of each shape. So yeah, and let's see how it will work. So for example, const circle 1 will be new circle, let's say another circle 2 will be another circle, and the const square 1 will be new square. So this is how it works. Then the composite, const composite will be new composite instance of our composite shape class, right? And now we can interact with it. So for example, we can add first instance, then we will add, let's say, square, like, and then we can add the second circle, like this, and see the result. So composite, and we call the draw method. So cleaning the, yeah, and we see circle created, square created, and circle created as well. So everything works, and you can see how easy it's and straightforward the usage is. So yeah, thanks, that's it. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next patterns. Bye.